Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Popper's Image Carousel widget to your Elementor website. Image carousels are a great way to showcase multiple images in a clean, interactive format, helping you highlight content without taking up too much space. So, let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Then click on Websites. After that, click on Add New Website and enter your Elementor website link. Once you've added the link, click on Add Website. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard. In the Plugins section, search for the Popper plugin, then install and activate it. After activation, click on Popper from the left sidebar. Then check your email and click on Save Account Email. Now go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets, and after that, click Create New Widget. Now, search for Image Carousel in the widget library and open it. After that, choose a layout according to your preference. Once the layout is selected, the widget editor will open. On the right side, you'll see the preview, and on the left side, you'll see the settings panel. In the content section, you can add different slides by clicking Add. Inside each slide, you can change the image, title, and description. Next, go to the Templates tab, where you can switch between different templates. In the Appearance tab, you can control the playback speed. You can also enable or disable controls like arrows and dots. In the Dimensions section, you can adjust the size of the widget. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After that, copy the installation code. Copy that code and go to your Elementor site editor. Now add an HTML block, paste the code inside it, and publish your site. Once your website is live, refresh the page, and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.